right, so now I'm working on the clouds that are kind of around the sun, which you can kind of see I marked out the spaces of where I want to put the clouds and the shapes and everything. So now I just kind of have to fill it in. Even though I liked the clear sky, I do want to bring a little bit more dimension with the clouds. And yeah, and I have my little friend here who's here to keep me company while I paint. He's just purring away. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna work on that. It's real detailed work, so I prefer to do that off camera and then come back when I'm just kind of filling in the rest. So I'll be back. So this is what we're looking like so far. I'm pretty pleased with it. I think the clouds could be a little less dark at the bottom there. There's definitely some tweaks that need to happen. The sun, I need to do more like rays of sunshine around. I need to expand out the light on the water a little bit better. But it's getting there. It's getting there. Okay, so I made those tweaks. I am pretty happy with everything. The sun is looking way brighter and shining its brightness onto the water. I do want to do more with the water, but I think we're almost there. Maybe 1 or 2 more days. Maybe max, probably just one more day, one more good solid day of about 5 or 6 hours of just making tweaks here and there, and I think it will be done. coming to the point here where there's not much more to do. Very, very small touches to the painting. I still have to work on kind of this side of the painting. Excuse my doggy from parking. Anyway, and then this gray part down here. I don't want it to look like there's like a storm coming in. I want it to look like a pretty early morning sunrise. So, yeah, I'm gonna fix that. And I think maybe a little bit more on the rail here, on the banister. Just kind of make it look more like the sun is shining down. And I think that's probably it. Maybe a little bit more blue up there. We'll see. I'll work on it and I'll be back when it's done. All right, everybody, it is done. I'm finally finished. I really, really like it. It reminds me of the time I spent on my cruise. This is the view outside on the balcony of our stateroom. So, and I had gotten up that morning and saw the sun rising, and well, it had risen already, but you know, it was amongst the clouds. It looked so beautiful. So yeah, all the glistening water. And for me, this is a good memory, and I'm so happy I was able to actually make it come to life on canvas. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I would love to have you back for my next video and my next painting. Until I see you next time, take care.